Welcome to our home. Okay, Dominican and Mexican Julia Child.
Yeah, well, we started, this is our first time making tamales with plátano leaf. I think it's working out pretty good. We got our first set pot right here, which will probably cook for about an hour. And some people put the towels, but we decided not to put the towel. We decided to put the leaves over it and see how it goes. This is our first time. We did do the meat. She puts all the stuff in it. She packs it, I wrap it.
Okay, so we got the banana leaf. We cut off the ends, right? So we're gonna get some masa. And we saw this on a video, so we cheated, but that's okay. You get the plastic, you put it over. You're taking a close-up of what I'm doing. Then you spread the masa on the leaves. And we figured out why they spread it so much, so it'll be easier to fold the banana leaf. So you see how I spread it? You pick it up and it's all spread. And then Mario made his own chicken recipe. You put a little chicken, and then you fold right where the masa is, so it'll be easier. Voila, tamal. Then Mario ties it together.
Then you get the tie it. Then you tie it, and I do it pretty simple. I just make it around, go around, flip it. And then voila, and put it evenly inside the pot.
So depending on the leaf size, you put more masa or less masa. But you always want it all the way around, so it'll be easier to fold. And then depending on the size of the leaf, you put more chicken or less chicken. This is the red chicken. We already did the green chicken.
And the reason people think, why don't you just go buy it? Well, when you buy it, you're accustomed to the people's habits, and this is your. And then you want more or less. And in this case, you can put whatever you want on it, and then you can have it your style. And if you like it, you continue to make it. And what it does also, it helps relationships, because guess what? We get to spend time in the kitchen together. So we decided to wake our son up. Our son was in this room, so we said, hey, why don't you come down and see what we're doing and videotape us so we could show people what we do. And really, we started this morning pretty good. We went to the gym first, worked out for about an hour. Then we decided we'd go to the store, and we decided just to see stuff that's out there. So we decided to say, oh, no, we're gonna make our own tamales and see how it goes. We had some. I know we had some this weekend. I mean this week, but it wasn't what we wanted. So we decided to make our own.
So see how big this leaf is? So that was the other problem with the tamales. We couldn't find anywhere to buy tamales, and usually the tamales we buy are really small. And the young lady living across my mom's house, unfortunately, went with the Lord. So we used to buy them from her. So we kind of stole her idea also and said, you know what? We want huge tamales. So this is a big leaf, so I'm gonna put way more masa on it. And what you want is you want to spread it evenly across. You see how much masa that is?
Well, you can buy the leaf. I mean, you could buy it in bulk of it, and you're going to have to buy it. It usually runs about $3 a pound, and probably about $11 for a batch. And then what you want to do is the thing is just like any tree or like any leaf or any vegetable out there, it needs water. The more you put water on it, the most it gets more it flex to be able to so it won't crack on you, and you'll be able to fold your tamales the way you want it.
You gotta keep the banana leaf moist. Do you see how much more chicken I put on there? And then you fold it, and then you have a much bigger tamale.
And we usually use a string. We cut the string about 24 inches. It's really simple. Just kind of like a half armful. Stretch your arm about a half full and cut it.
You want to cut the edges because the edges are very tough, and it won't fold. Now, mind you, we just learned all of this morning. after making experimenting with a couple of sweet ones. And we hope those come out really good, but these are going to come out much better. And they're going to be delicious.
But we're gonna have some for sale. I know in the valley they have a donut place that sells donuts for $2.50 a piece. We're gonna sell these for $4 a piece.
Because we have a kid in college. And we need to make money. How gorgeous. So you see how small this one is? This is really small, so you don't want to put that much masa and that much. And people always laugh at me because I don't know how to cook, but guess what? I do, I just don't do it. But I experiment a lot. And my son always tells me, why do you not put what the recipe says there? Well, because I like to put what I like. And believe it or not, Mayo's a really good cook. Yeah?
Yeah, I gotta cut some more of these for you. Then at the end, when you get all this mess done, we'll leave it for our son to clean up.
Woohoo!
And he'll show us his appreciation while we're paying for college.
So in this video, it took one Guzman, or two Guzmans, and one Munguia to make tamales. And we will give you an after they're cooked. We'll show you one, so you can see how delicious they look. Yeah.
And we'll show you the afterwards, the after product.
I just said that.
Oh, I just want to repeat myself. You know how I am. And hopefully we get a lot of hits on YouTube.
And you see how it cracks right there? Don't worry about that. They open up like that, but that's okay. They'll be okay. They won't leak or anything because the masa is so hard.
Also, you gonna be able to take some to school?
Did you stop?